Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to do a few exercises that would help you get stronger after a hip surgery. I had hip surgery on my right because I had an impingement. For those of you who don't know what an impingement is when around the hip area, when your bones are basically rubbing together. It's very uncomfortable, especially if you play sports of the likes of football, which I do, and I've had to actually sit out the season so far due to this pain. So I've been doing these exercises on a daily basis since I've had the surgery, and I've been seeing results. So I thought, you know what, I might as well share it with you guys. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. Even share this to anyone who would probably need this or has the same type of issue. I am telling you, if you do it for at least 30 days, you will start to see results, 100%. So yeah man, let's get to it. All you're gonna need for these exercises is resistance bands. If you don't have resistance bands, you can get it on Amazon. It's not expensive at all. I think you can get it between 7 to like 15 quid. And if you got Prime, you get it next day, so quick things. Right, so the first thing you want to do is you want to go the kneeling and back kicking. So you put the resistance bands around here, you go on all fours, make sure you keep your back straight, and then just kick back. So do about 10 of these per leg. Right, next one, you stay on all fours and you start your side kicking. So that's like this. Man, that's a good exercise right there. I felt that. Right, next thing, I'm gonna lie down flat on your back. Now we're going to do some hip bridges. So what you want to do, keep your legs together and then your knees together, legs together, and you're just going to, hands to the side, just going to go up, squeeze your glutes when you get to the top and down again. So do it 10 times. Let's go. Yeah, that was good. Then we're going to do a supine. So essentially what we're going to do, hands to the side, legs together, then you're just going to go left, right, while keeping your chest area straight, so like this. Keep your knees together, yeah, that's it. That's it. This can also be a very good side stretch, by the way. Let's do about 15 to 20 of that. Now, back on your sides now. You're going to do side kicks on your sides. So like this, and just up like that. Squeeze. Right, next guys, so you want to do your standing leg kick. So, you know, with the resistance band still the same place, just put your legs together and try and maintain your posture at the same time, kick out to the side. So, and then return, 10 of these. Now we're going to do some lateral walking. So what you want to do, you want to get down as if you're in a squat position, and then you're going to move left, right a few times. I'm just going to keep within the frame of the camera, so I'm going to step to the left and step to the right. Let's go. Woo! Let's go. This is like the last exercise I do on a daily basis. It's about 30 minutes on the bike, and it's very good because it doesn't put pressure on your hip, especially given that your hip is still in the healing stage. But yeah, man, 30 minutes and you're good to go. I gotta go now, I've gotta finish my 30 minutes. So just don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Remember to share it. If you have any questions, let me know and I'll try my best to answer it as much as I can. Alright guys, adios.